Cienavos. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about acronyms. What are acronyms? Acronyms are abbreviations which can be pronounced like a word. Now I will discuss about some commonly used acronyms which may be useful for everyone, especially children. So let's begin. MOM, MOM. This is Mars Orbiter Mission. Mars Orbiter Mission. India's first mission to Mars. Next we have RAW, RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. Research and Analysis Wing. This is India's Foreign Intelligence Agency. Next we have AIMS, AIIMS, which is All India Institute of Medical Sciences. This is a reputed medical institute in Delhi, AIMS. Next we have BODMAS, a very commonly used acronym in mathematics, BODMAS, which is an order of brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. An order of these specific operations helps us to solve a sum. Next is UNICEF, UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. United Nations Children's Fund. This is a United Nations organization for the welfare of children. So now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next few acronyms. SARC, SAARC. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. This is an association of all of the South Asian nations which form regional cooperation. Next we have NASA, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Agency. Administration. Space Administration, which is NASA. NASA is a U.S. space agency. Next we have BRICS, BRICS. It is an association of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Next we have PAN, P-A-N. It is a permanent account number. Permanent account number, which is given by the Income Tax Department. Lastly, we have PIN, PIN, Postal Index Number. A number to represent an Indian post office. So now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to some more acronyms. Our next few acronyms. DOS, DOS. Disk Operating System. LAN, LAN, our next acronym. Local Area Network. Next we have BAT, VAT, Value Added Tax. After that, ROM, ROM, Read Only Memory. Next, INSAT, INSAT, Indian National Satellite. Moving on to GAIL, GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. Gas Authority of India Limited. we have IMAX, IMAX, which is image maximum. So now you may take a look at the board. In our next episode, we will talk about more acronyms. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.